Hi everyone, welcome back to STEM Stational. Today's video will be about prokaryotic organisms, which are also known as prokaryotes, and an example that we will be discussing today is bacteria. So two key points to note about prokaryotes is that they are always single-celled and they do not have a nucleus. Now moving on to bacteria, here we have an image of what a typical bacterial cell looks like. So bacteria is a microscopic single-celled organism that has a cell membrane, a cell wall made of peptidoglycan, cytoplasm, ribosomes for protein synthesis, plasmids, which are small circular loops of DNA containing genes, and they have a circular chromosome of DNA instead of a nucleus. So some bacteria can carry out photosynthesis, and this is because they still have chlorophyll and enzymes needed to make sugars from the carbon dioxide. However, most bacteria feed off of other living or dead organisms, and these bacteria are called decomposers. So an example of a bacteria here is that we have a rod-shaped bacteria called Lactobacillus bulgaricus, and this bacteria is used during the production of yogurt from milk, and it is also good for our gut health. Another example here is a spherical-shaped bacteria, which is called pneumococcus, and this bacteria is responsible for causing pneumonia. Now we will be moving on to two past paper questions. So the first one is some bacteria are able to carry out photosynthesis despite not containing chloroplasts. Using your knowledge of photosynthesis, suggest how this could be possible. Now I will give you a few seconds to answer this question on your own, and you may pause this video as well. So the answer is that bacteria still has chlorophyll to trap sunlight and enzymes that can break down carbon dioxide into sugars. Therefore, they are still able to photosynthesize and make their own food. Now, moving on to the next question. To increase the number of bacteria living in our gut, people are encouraged to consume probiotics, such as health yogurts. These contain cultures of gut bacteria that can start to grow in number inside the intestines. This helps to keep the gut flora healthy. Name one example of a species of bacteria that is used in the production of yogurt from milk. I'll give you another 5 seconds to answer this question. So the answer is Lactobacillus bulgaricus, which is one of the examples that I mentioned earlier. And that's it for today. Thank you.